You're feeling just a little bit nausea. Which should you take? Peppermint tea? Is peppermint candy enough? Essential oil or a tincture?
Peppermint, it's one of these herbs that is well known for nausea and vomiting, but there's a right way and a wrong way how you want to take it. Now, sometimes if you're just a little bit nausea, maybe a peppermint stick or a peppermint candy is all you need. Maybe you just need a little smell of it. But if you're a little more serious, you might need to drink a cup of peppermint tea. But and you can even take like the essential oil of peppermint and you can actually rub it on your tummy to help with being nausea. But if you're really on the verge of really throwing up, or you are throwing up, you're really going to need something a little stronger. And that is when you want to make a peppermint tincture. Now you can make it with alcohol or you can make it with glyceride, which is my preference. And when you're making it with alcohol, you may just need 1 or 2 drops. Or you may need, and maybe 5 drops might be too much. That might start the vomiting reflex. So in our next video, we're going to get into making a peppermint tincture, both with alcohol and with glycerin.
And you might be an herbalist if you drink peppermint tea. Like, subscribe, and share, and don't miss our next video on making alcohol tincture, both alcohol and with glycerin.